this is the top 3 trend continuation patterns that I've been using over the years. Trust me. And this top 3 trend continuation patterns is what I personally will vouch for any day. Let's get to it. Before we go ahead, guys, kindly comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you click on that subscribe button. Let's get to it. Now, the number 1 trend continuation pattern we're talking about is the flag continuation. All right, flag continuation. What you need is you need a trend. You just need a trend. Just you want to be sure that there's a trend, and as you can see right there, this is a very bearish downtrend right now happening. So what are you looking for? You're looking for continuations, since it's in a trend. So you're looking for continuations so you can trade. And as you can see it's really bearish at this time, going in a downtrend, very strong downtrend. Now, in between all this, you want to be looking for a flag pattern. Now, what you need to do, first thing you want to do is check if there's a trend going against the real trend. That is the number 1 scope. Yeah, this is a big trend. This is the real trend. Now, you want to see a trend, a kind of a small impulse kind of a trend, trying to move against the trend, but not with a lot of strength. All right, something like this. If you see this now, you see there's a trend right here, and there's a flag right there, as you can see it, and that's the flag. It means if you don't know what a flag is, a flag appears like this, like your country kind of a flag. Yeah, sorry, it's not much, but at least you understand what I'm trying to say. And yeah, so something like this. This is a flag going on the upside. This one right here is a flag for the bullish side, and this is a flag for the bearish side. So this is an example for this bearish side. Now, this, if you look at this right now, this right here is this, and this is the flag. So as you can see right here, this is not moving with a lot of strength. As you can see right there, it's not moving with lots of strength, and it's happening on a strong bearish downtrend, and it's moving against the trend, but with not a lot of strength, and it ended up giving us this kind of a trend on a downtrend. Now, what are you looking for? You need a strong impulse, kind of a breakout candle like this one. Let me zoom in. All right, just in case. All right, so now you see here it's trending, nothing like a big impulse candle to break this out. Right, then this one came in and broke out of this trend right there, broke out of this kind of this consolidation and continued down there. And as you can see, if you are taking this kind of positions right there, your stops somewhere up here or somewhere down here, and you can see how much returns that gives you. All right, so that's another example. And if I look at this, another example right there, because this is a downtrend again, another example, if I'm looking for a flat continuation, you can see something here, right here, and something here. Yeah, this is a flag continuation. This is a very good flag continuation also. And as you can see, as this one happened, this is a very strong breakout out of the trend, the consolidation. So this very strong breakout candle validates the breakout, and you could actually go to your lower time frame. As you can see, this is a 2-hour time frame. You can actually go to your lower time frame and catch this on this trend. So that is the first trend continuation. This is a bearish. Let's look for an example of a bullish. If we'll be seeing somewhere here, all right, yes, this is, as you can see, this is a very strong push to the upside, and I am looking for a flag continuation. And as you can see, I easily spotted this one right here. As you can see, that's a bullish flag continuation right there. Okay, this is right there. Anytime you are plotting a trend line, you can go and watch our videos to learn about trend lines. It's right, it's in our channel here. And before I continue, please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this video. What you any question you have, please comment it. I'll be there to reply you. And thank you. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. So let's go on. So this is a flag continuation on the bullish side, the uptrend, anyhow you can call it. So as you can see, this is a strong push to the upside from down here, and as you can see, after price broke the market structure to the upside right here, and as you can see, price consolidated. A mistake lots of traders do is when they see in an uptrend like this, they see the market in a lower high, and they tend to be looking for sell positions. No, please don't do that. Anytime you are in an uptrend, you're only looking for trend continuations. Trend continuations. Do not go against the trend. All right. So now, in this sorry about that. In this flag pattern, you can see this is a strong candle to the upside, and voila, you can see how many pips that did, going up. You can catch a lot of trades. You can see on a lower time frame, this is definitely a flag continuation. Also, if you go to the 30 minutes or 1 hour, you will see this is a very valid flag continuation also, and that's trend continuation also. So, and that's how you catch trend continuation on the bearish and on the bullish side. In case you don't understand, that's how you catch flag continuation on the downtrend and on the uptrend. All right, so the second one we'll be talking about, don't forget, we're talking about the top 3 trend continuation patterns. So the second one we're going to be talking about is the cup and handle pattern. Trust me, this is another pattern I use and I can vouch for. It's a trend continuation pattern, and you seriously need it to practice. Everything you see in this video, it will really help you. So let's get to it. First of all, you want to be sure that you are in an uptrend, and as you can see, after the consolidation in this range, price broke out with a strong momentum candle to the upside. And as you can see right there, price got to a resistance area right here and came back and still stick to that resistance right there. And in case you don't know what a cup and handle pattern is, it's like a cup like this, like a cup you used to drink water in your house. So definitely that's an example of a cup and handle. And as you can see it in this pattern right here, you see this is also a cup and handle right there. Definitely. So you understand what a cup and handle is now. So definitely you are looking for it in an uptrend as a trend continuation pattern. All right, as a trend continuation pattern. So you're looking for continuation. All right, so price got to this resistance area right here and came back to this resistance area right here. And one thing you should definitely understand here is that when price got to this resistance area right here, price sold off to this area, and as you can see, it price sold off to this area right there, sold off to this area. But when price got to the same resistance area, normally price is supposed to sell off to the same resistance area here if this is a strong area, and if the sellers are in the market to this area here. But price didn't. Price the last attempt at breaking out, price stopped somewhere here, and price broke out strongly. So when I see something like this, price sold off and price didn't sell off much to this area right here, and I'm sure that is building up a cup and handle pattern. So definitely I'll be looking out for something like this. So price broke out strongly to the upside, and as you can see, that was a massive move to the upside. Definitely you'd have caught a lot of pips right there. So this is an example. I don't know if I can see any other example of a cup and handle right there. On UJ cup and handle is most likely all right. I see another cup and handle pattern, and as I explained earlier on, you see this is a cup and this is an handle right there. You see it right there. It's very easy to spot, but you need to practice this. And as I explained the other time, price was trending on strong, as you can see, very strong momentum right there, strong trend, strong market uptrend, and price got to a resistance right here, and price still came back here. Notice something, as I explained the other time. Price came here, sold off here, came to this area right here, sold off strongly to this area. And as you can see, when price got back to this area right here, it didn't sell off strongly to this area. Price sellers went that strong much, went active in the market, so the buyers came in at this area. So that's how the cup and handle pattern was formed. And as you can see, price always massively pumped to the upside. So this is the second continuation trend continuation pattern that I use. Triangle trend continuation, and this is the third trend continuation that I personally use and I vouch for. And trust me, this three trend continuation pattern that I just showed you guys will harness your trading skills if you practice this. And trust me, it has a lot of returns, as you can see. And as you can see, it has a lot of returns, and it will improve the way you trade. So let's get to it. This is the triangle continuation pattern. So it's a trend continuation strategy. Also, what you're looking for in this, you want to look for a strong uptrend. Now, looking at this one, a support area, and price shoot up to that from that place, and broke the market structure right there, and consolidated right here. So how do you know this is a triangle trend continuation pattern? I usually shorten it as triangle continuation, is so that everybody can understand it. So price got to the top here, and price got to the top here. If you notice, price sold off to this area right there. And if you were with me, and if you watch the cup and handle trend continuation that I showed earlier on, you notice that price sold off, and price is supposed to sell off to the same area, as you can see right here, but price didn't sell off to that area right there, and it formed a cup and handle. All right, so, and as you can see in this trend continuation, price sold off to the area, went back to that same area, still sold off to that same area, went back to that area, but sold off less here. As you can see, went off again, sold off less in this area. If you cannot see it, I'll gladly zoom it, as you can see right there. And price was giving us a lower high right here, lower high, another lower high. I'm sorry, higher low. I'm sorry, higher low, higher low, higher low right there, and giving us a trend right there. So this is a triangle continuation. So and as you can see, price went up there and boom to the upside, as you can see right there. Let's quickly check another one, which is the Euro USD, and I would like to look at the 30 minutes time frame. I saw one right there yesterday. All right, this one IMI guys caught it, and as you can see right there, this is a bearish example, and you see it that price was pumping to the downside, trending, strong trend, although this is a strong support. All right, it's a very strong area, is a strong area. But what validates this kind of area is when price breaks the market structure. So now when you see price go to this area, retested, give us this area right here, this is the area, this is the lower high, this one right here, because price was coming on the downtrend. It gave us a lower high right there, and price came back to this same area, but refused to break the market structure. Came back again, refused to break the market structure, and came back again. So that's how you know. But until when it breaks out from this area, that's when it validates, oh, this is a long position, this is an uptrend movement. But it didn't. So definitely when you see this one, price got to this support area, and broke off. Now what am I looking for, and how is this a trend continuation? Now one thing I know is price has been trending to the downside, and overall you see the big uptrend right there, and the big trend right there to the downside, as in trending to the downside. And as you can see, price came up here, came down to this area in there, came down here, came down here, started to form lower high right there, lower high, came down here, sold off less. Price has been selling off, sold off, sorry. Price has been going to the upside here, going to the upside here, but price didn't go up, go to the upside much in this area. So it formed first confirmation is in a downtrend. Second confirmation is price refused to break my market structure right here to invalidate my triangle continuation. The third confirmation is price started to give me a lower high here. And the fourth confirmation is price was having little volume. I mean, the last one here was having very small volume. It there was no volume to pump to the other side as everyone was pumping, and it broke out. And as you can see, that's some big massive returns right there, and it came back to the another main support, give us a double bottom enter. And if you're looking for a scalping on a double bottom, check out our video. Our There's a video that we made on scalping on double bottom. It's right there on the channel. And also, please like, subscribe, and we appreciate you.